I have this wooden apple cutout that I got from Target. I believe I got it for $5. And I'm going to start by just taping off the leaf, and I'm going to paint the bottom part of the apple with some Wise Owl Republic Red. While that is still wet, I'm going to go in with a little bit of Wise Owl Joshua Tree just on the left side here, and I'm kind of going to just do a half a circle to just give it a little bit of color. And again, I'm just blending the paint together while it is wet. You can even add a little water. It kind of helps move the paint around a little easier. Now the top part, the leaf of the apple, I'm just going to do in the Wise Owl Joshua Tree. Now all paint products can be found on our website at chalkitupfancy.com. And I'm going to allow this to fully dry. Once it was dry, I took a sanding paper and I'm just going to give it a very light sanding. You can distress in some areas. This helps smooth out the paint. And then I'm going to remove all of the sanding dust. And I'll just remove all that with my blow dryer. Next, I'm going to give it a top coat of some Wise Owl 1-hour enamel clear. You can also do the Wise Owl varnish, and you'll see how this just brightens the paint back up. I am going to be gluing some letters down, so if you want to use the Wise Owl furniture salve, then you can wait until you are completely done with your project to apply that. Now, I went around the outer edge of the apple with a little bit of Wise Owl Snow Owl, just a very small amount. And then I decided to go back to the leaf, and on the inner part of the leaf, I added some Wise Owl Joshua Tree mixed with some Wise Owl Snow Owl to just give it a little lighter of a shade. And I applied that to the entire inner part of the leaf. Next, I have this wood circle I'm just going to be using so I could place my wood letters down. And I'm going to place You Pick in wood letters. And I decided to leave it their natural wood color. You can certainly paint these if you want. And then I glued that down with some hot glue. You can also use some E6000. And then I moved it down a little bit and I put the words Farm Fresh. Now I do have two different style wood letters here. They both came from Hobby Lobby. And then I'm going to glue all of those down with some hot glue. Since these already had the pre-drilled holes for the jute hanger, I put a piece of jute on each side, and then I'm just going to tie a knot in the front here. This is just one way you could hide those holes. You can even fill them with wood putty if you want. Now, if you were going to hang this on a wall, you could just tie those two pieces together. I'm not going to hang it on a wall, so I just tied a knot on the back side and cut the excess jute off. And I did paint the back side with some Wise Owl Republic Red. Next, I found this basket from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to place the apple on the inside, on the back side of the basket, and I'm going to take my handheld stapler and just staple the basket to the apple. And there you go. Now you could fill this with some of your favorite apples. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.